Explanation. A little boy lived in a cottage, has a lovely garden around the cottage, with different plants. To maintain a garden, it has to be watered. Needed weeding and cleaning. The plants to be given manure from time to time. They had to cut and pruned from time to time. Everybody in the family takes care of the garden. The boy had a strict, disciplined, and hard-working uncle, came to stay with them for a few days. He saw the boy playing around, and ordered him to weed the garden, as it was necessary. But the little boy did not want to do this, and he was sad. Just then his mother walked in, saw the boy, and asked his problem. She offered him a help, and both of them weeded the garden beautifully, and passed a very good time together with working, chatting, and laughing. Word meaning. Cottage means a small simple house in a rural area. Manure means material mixed with soil to help plants grow. Pruned means remove dead and unwanted parts of the plants to help them grow. Weeding means removing troublesome, unwanted plants from a field or garden. Sadly means badly, very much. Used with words like needed or wanted, welled up, filled with water, or tears.